Welcome my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Bitcoin is approaching a critical decision point and the next move could be significant. Let's start with the $65,000 level. This is major resistance because it lines up with the 50-day EMA, the 50-month EMA and the major weekly resistance level. So far price has been rejected from this area, which is the first warning sign. Looking at the dollar index, the dollar is now trading above yesterday's close and continues to look bullish. Yesterday finished with a strong green candle, and this could be the week we finally see some follow through after 2 weeks of limited continuation. A stronger dollar will continue to act as a headwind for Bitcoin. Bitcoin meanwhile closed red yesterday and is still trading below that close today. It's also trading below the weekly open, the 21-day EMA and the 200-week SMA, showing that the short-term momentum has weakened. Another development the market is watching is Michael Saylor selling some Bitcoin 2 days ago. The last time this happened, Bitcoin saw a sharp sell-off. The market is still uncertain how to react, but if Bitcoin falls below strategy's average cost basis, selling pressure from stakeholders, bondholders or index-related requirements could become a bigger risk. The Bitcoin's volatility index also closed green yesterday and is continuing higher today. Rising volatility is generally a bearish signal for Bitcoin. On the ETF side, we have now had 3 straight days of positive inflows, but yesterday's inflows were much smaller than the previous 2 days, suggesting demand may be slowing. At the same time, we can't ignore what the monthly liquidation heatmap is telling us. There's a large cluster of liquidity sitting around the $57,000 level, just below the yearly low. In fact, there's a noticeable more liquidity below the current price than there is above it. And that's why I posted on X. On the yearly ROI, we still haven't entered the buy zone, as in every bear market we went under 26%. Currently we are at 55%. The cost basis profit-loss ratio still hasn't entered the red zone, signaling bearish structure and capitulation risk. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye.